Ruskin Bonds. The Conceited Python.
The Conceited Python. The speaker's grandfather loved to buy unusual pets. One day, he brought home a python slinging around his neck. Grandmother was terrified. Even the pet monkey Toto was terrified of the snake. Grandmother wanted the snake out of the house because Aunt Mabel was supposed to visit their house the next day, and the minute she would have seen the snake, she would have left. Therefore, she asked grandfather to lock it in the bathroom to prevent it from attacking Toto. The python could not be found. The day Aunt Mabel had arrived, she saw it in the garden and screamed while flying up the veranda stairs. The snake made more appearances and caused Aunt Mabel to leave. The rest of the members continued searching for the python. It was found admiring himself on the dressing table the next time. Grandfather realized that the snake had become vain. Then, grandfather hatched a plan. He got a large cage and placed a mirror at one end and a juicy chicken among other things. After a few days, the snake went into the cage and was seen smiling at its reflection. The speaker lowered the trapdoor. Then, grandfather and the gardener took the cage in a tonga and opened the trapdoor and left the cage in the jungle. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.